Today we're going to talk about browser testing and specifically switching between browsers. You see that there's two functions in the recorder that help us select them. One is the menu that we're looking at, and the other is the button next to it. Just because a browser shows up in this list does not mean it's installed on your system. It's your responsibility to make sure that it's installed. If you try to test on a browser that is not installed in your system, it will give you an error. This menu will show up the same on every system on which the recorder is installed. So let's pick the Chrome browser to begin with. And we'll start the browser up. And it positions it where we last used it. To demonstrate that, I'm going to move it down a little bit. I'm going to turn the browser off using the same browser button we started it with. Wait for it to turn white, and we'll restart it. And notice that it comes back up in the same exact location that we saved it in. But we'll move it back here. So feel free to move around your workspace and save it to your content. Now we're going to go ahead and start a test. Ordinarily we might record something, but we already have pre-recorded tests, and that's not the point of this particular video. So we're going to start with a pre-recorded test. It's a real short one here. We're going to run it, and it runs successfully. And now we're going to assume we really wrote this test case, and what our real point is, we want to verify that this test not only works in Chrome, but in other browsers. So what would I do? Well, I simply just turn off Chrome, as we did before, wait for it to turn white, and go over to our menu and select another one. I'll select Edge this time, and I'll start that. And notice it starts in exactly the same location that Chrome was started. The only thing we have to do now is just press the Run button, and it runs to completion perfectly. And that's it for this video. Please provide us any questions you may have regarding this video.